So one of the best things about the breakfast here is you actually get to see the masjid, feel via the masjid, which is, and it's really, really nice. So this is really nice. You definitely don't have that at the Hilton Convention Center. You actually get the same view here that you do in the room. So it's really nice. So this breakfast compared to Hilton Convention Center, I would say Hilton Convention Center breakfast is definitely much better. They definitely have more selection. That's been my experience so far. But this is what I got for breakfast. So that's a pretty cool idea. Take some Instagram pictures here while you're here for breakfast. Especially if there's a line that's long, you can just kind of chill out here, do some pictures, keep people busy. So Arabic coffee, Saudi coffee, whatever you want to call it, very popular. They have it pretty much in multiple places in the hotel. It's, it's a really, really good coffee.